Only Pataka make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and post a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is official. Yes, it is official, viewers and subscribers. Gaza OVO. Yes, Gaza OVO, viewers and subscribers. Drake drop one of my latest track. A good while now, in a track from Drake. And in it, viewers and subscribers, Drake point out who him a link with. Him big up Unruly Cuz. Him big up Jamie. Them, of course, don't know Popcorn in the same situation there as well. But the G said never forget where it all started. Drake say Gaza him thing, the viewers and subscribers. Yes, and we did always know that it's good to see Drake and make it official though. And I point that out to the international crowd. Look and listen, viewers and subscribers, yes?
Wassa, just like the Crody press, I don't do no pasta. Link with Skull and cousin Jamie and y'all, we dep on Gaza.
It's a definitely exciting moment for hear Drake make that statement. Another first time Drake has a big up teacher for one. Another first time he must say a Gaza him thing there. But most people know of the contract with him and Popcorn. But remember Vybz Kartel situation. And right now, viewers and subscribers, may I ask you, may I tell you, freedom is a must. I'm not stop say so. You can't tell me stop say it. Freedom is a must, viewers and subscribers. And Drake a point out say once the teacher is released, not only will you see features, but the link will be evident. Cause a Gaza himself, viewers and subscribers. Start now, man. Big up Champagne Papi. Yes, big up Drake, because for one thing we know, and Drake always make this public. It's a statement to make public, viewers and subscribers. Him say your dancehall music are one of his favorite genres of music, and it has influenced him and his career. No doubt, big up the whole Toronto. Yeah, big up the Toronto 6. Big up the whole Canada as a matter of fact. Yes, big up the whole Canada, viewers and subscribers. They are supporters of Caribbean culture and of Jamaican music and Jamaican culture as well. Whether it be reggae, dancehall, or even ska. You know some young fans of dancehall music, I wonder what is ska. No, foundation, we have to big them up. And this is the legacy start. Big up ska, reggae, dancehall. You know the something of viewers and subscribers. Drake pointed out. The teacher, the leading dancehall artist of this genre. I'm not care. Me hear some other people make some statements like them want to say, no, another teacher. They are what we would consider naysayers. But they have no proof to support their statement. While them say the teacher is not the leader of the genre, them not have no other artists to put forward for say them. So would they even bother to follow them up on their statement? See an international superstar. I want to talk about the hip hop genre. Or if you want to say the rap genre, because some people differentiate them. Some people say rap is different from hip hop. But one thing is known, viewers and subscribers, Drake is a superstar amongst superstars in this generation. Yeah, he's a superstar, bring him to prominence. Remember, say Lil Wayne them say Drake. You know what I mean? But from them time until now, Drake has established himself in the music game as a force to be reckoned with. Whether it's a feature, whether it's just a small ad-lib, yo, Drake voice on the track definitely enhance the sound and the vibe, and people gravitate to Drake and the music. You know what I mean? And as I said, viewers and subscribers, him said that sound and that flow, yes, is inspired in some way, shape or fashion by reggae and dancehall and Caribbean culture, viewers and subscribers. So that's definitely a good look. As I know him, I work with Popcorn, of course. Popcorn latest mixtape has been released titled Vanquish. You know what I mean? And viewers and subscribers, definitely a good look. You know what I mean? When I say the list of tracks, my favorite track from the album too in particular, Numbers Don't Lie. You know what I mean? But my sister that mixtape was under the OVO Unruly banner, meaning say this time first mixtape officially for OVO them. And that's the thing, them and drop a couple mixtapes, do a couple shows, and then we can look forward to see an album maybe. You know what I mean? But Jacob point out, viewers and subscribers, when the teacher touched the road, because we know dancehall and hip hop and R&B and pop and rap and you name the international genres or the different genres of music, them I look forward to hearing that Drake and that Vybz Kartel. Yeah, the fans are look out for the Drake and that Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. But I ask you, I years now we hear speculators that speculate on that track in particular. Yeah, Tory Lanez them already say them want the Drake and them want the Vybz Kartel verse them, you know. Tory Lanez already make that known. You know what I mean? Say, yo, all artists na dancehall and reggae, him respect them. And for me make a statement like that you don't know, say, him have to have respect for the teacher. And no doubt he himself would love to get a feature. You know what I mean? For prove the dancehall artists as a Tory Lanez too as well. Big up Tory Lanez them. Drake, definitely one of the kings of hip hop and rap right now in this generation. There's hardly any continent where you can go right now where people don't know Drake. And the same can be said about Vybz Kartel as well. I don't know a continent nowhere in the world unless they don't know reggae and dancehall or Caribbean culture. But anywhere in the world that is aware of the Caribbean culture, Jamaican culture and Jamaican music, they are fans of Vybz Kartel. Just like how Bob is known, Buju is known, the Mali youth them known. Just like how Super Cat them known. As of Vybz Kartel known worldwide viewers and subscribers. Worldwide phenomenon. People wonder why we always big up the teacher. So just like him never song him a say, them always ask why make him love big up Pelpa so. You don't touch no belt here, so that's why viewers and subscribers, the teacher is definitely the artist. When me see, me myself personally, I push the genre viewers and subscribers. And we'll talk about international acknowledgement. When we hear from international artists who are for them favorite or who them feel like is one of the most creative artists of this generation, it is normally Vybz Kartel name that is mentioned, viewers and subscribers. Normally. It would be strange to hear someone else mentioned, but it would also be a good look too as well, because the teacher himself has always said this: put in the work and you will get the respect. It's not that teacher saying that these artists should not be respected for what them achieve, but them can't be compared to him. I agree with that statement. It's not the teacher being hype and I say, yo, my career is above those other artists' career. No, it must say the work ethic, my track record, it speaks for itself. And if your track record don't match up, then you cannot be compared. I'm not seeing no other artists to compare to Vybz Kartel. And we don't make comparisons with artists. We measure achievements. Meaning say, we don't compare Bounty to Beanie. Would you do that? No, we don't compare Bounty to Beanie viewers and subscribers. We look at the achievements. And Bounty did already say I'm not responsible on a Grammy. But at the achievements people look at. How did your album fare against somebody else's album? How much awards have you garnered over your career or the years of your career as opposed to that next artist? But we don't compare individuals to individuals, viewers and subscribers. No. And if you can do that, you can't compare nobody to the teacher. The teacher stands alone. Yes, viewers and subscribers. And Drake pointed out. Drake pointed out on his latest track, viewers and subscribers. Champagne Poppy say a Gaza him thing there. And if you don't know, that was a quick reminder for the new fans, you know what I mean, for the one order, of course, for the clans, viewers and subscribers. Definitely a reminder. The people that talk about it, the people have always been speculated. Drake make all the public statements. The hear him say it now on them latest track, it show you where mindset there. And right now, dancehall say freedom for the teacher. And right now, Drake look like him see said the teacher will be freed soon and very soon. And him make you know son a wagon is something. Him now say teacher, when teacher get released, him make sure them tell you from early, say yo, a Gaza I'm a thing then. Yeah, that's how we link up with Unruly them to same way. Remember what the thing all started from a Portmore Empire, you know. We must say a Vybz Kartel's a popcorn. Remember, a Vybz Kartel's a popcorn. When Party Next Door they want a big feature there, Drake say, link up with teacher them and get that teacher verse for the track. And teacher, and is a previous recorded track him did get. When teacher say, yo, you are real bad girl, you don't take back chat and anything you say, you can defend that. And that flow there, that flow that's been sampled by almost every artist or modern day dancehall artist right now. You are real bad girl, you don't take back chat and anything you say, you can defend that. You have an artist who live in a teacher style, and this was one of the first style where him sample from the teacher and then never want to give him the homage. But we're not calling him. We're not big up nobody else, so except the teacher and Drake, because right now that is what the reason is all about. Quick recap, viewers and subscribers. Drake said, and he might make this known to the international crowd, the international public. A Gaza him thing, the viewers and subscribers. Never get it twisted. Not because of OVO and Ruly. Yes, a Gaza OVO too as well, viewers and subscribers. Vice the one called Jaden Chase. And yes, we have just had another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. I mean, I'm mind no. Those who new to the channel shall pass through. But I like the reasoning and I like the point of view. Well, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Right there, so plan the platform. The like icon there as well. Drop a like on the vlog. The share icon there as well so you can tell a friend, but tell a friend. But tell them sister and them brother them from right there upon the platform. But check out the reasoning, join the discussion, interactive experience. The comment section is always open. No matter when you see the vlog, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there. Just be mindful of the guidelines, however. Yes, be mindful of the guidelines, viewers and subscribers. But drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. Yeah, man. Champion Papi. Drake. You know what I mean? One of the kings of the hip-hop rap genre. Some would have even said the R&B too, as well. Acknowledge the king of the dancehall and reggae fusion genre, viewers and subscribers. Yes, if I make you know, say a Gaza him thing then nothing not change. Nothing not change, viewers and subscribers. I know the fans them excited for your statement like that. Remember the sentiment is the teacher will be freed. Freedom is a must. Man nah stop say it. Man nah stop preach that way there. And you should not either. You know what I mean? Gaza Nation, you don't know the something go. But they are going to hold the vibe, hold the reason. And until the reason again, well, first and foremost, I'm going to say this. You don't know up move settings, fam. And we don't need no ladder, no point in time. And my sentiments for you is for to live, love, and prosper until the reason again.